How do I know if my property is safe in bankruptcy? This is probably one of the biggest considerations when you're thinking of filing a bankruptcy case. After all, if you lose something that you don't want to lose because you filed a bankruptcy, that won't make you very happy. So, how do you know if your property is safe? Well, there's laws that actually govern what property is safe and what property isn't. The laws depend based on what state you're in. So, if we go to the considerations tab, there's a few things to think about. And I like to think of it in this order. Number one, do I have a legal protection of my stuff? Number two, is my stuff really worth taking? So, the legal consideration is my property safe by statute? Some, when you file bankruptcy, some states they rely on federal exemptions, and the federal exemptions protect certain property. Other states, when you file in that state, they rely on state exemption law. So, is the property safe? A great example comes from the state of Mississippi. In the state of Mississippi, if you had two TVs, one TV is safe by legal statute. There's a statute that protects one TV per person. It doesn't matter if it's up with collateral with anyone else, it's safe. Now, not if it's purchase money, but that's a totally different topic for another slide. So come back later for that. However, if your property is safe by statute, that's fine. You don't need to worry anymore. But what if it isn't? What if it's that second TV that you have? That is where the practical consideration comes in. Is that property really worth taking? A second TV is not worth a trustee taking and selling and using that money to pay creditors with. So generally, it's a non-issue. However, if you have property that's worth a significant amount, for example, an antique vehicle or an extra piece of property that's good for hunting or a beach property, you may very well lose it because it's not safe legally and it's certainly worth taking. Now, these considerations matter, but the most important thing you can do when considering filing to say, is my property safe or not, is to talk with an attorney who knows your state, the exemption laws that they follow, and the practical impact of filing a bankruptcy. I hope this information is helpful and educational to you. As always, it's not legal advice. Thanks.